This is the Emeril Lagasse. Not really sure how you pronounce the guy's name, but this is the air fryer that bears his name. She's kind of a beauty and kind of a beast at the same time. It's a 7-quart air fryer. Read you from the box. 5-in-1 air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, digital one-touch cooking, timer with auto shutoff, 1700 watts of power for up to 400 degrees, up to 70% fewer calories. It's got a 7-quart non-stick basket, easy large grip handle. I got my dish, I got my fork, I got my coconut sriracha. Now all I need is my egg rolls. Very crunchy, very hot, very good, very good. It came out just absolutely perfect. You know, however you pronounce this guy's name, he made himself a good air fryer. This thing works good, and the food that came out of it is pretty darn tasty.